shine like diamonds in the night. Your love's the reason I'm alive.
Imagine this. A YouTube channel created just 15 days ago. Already has 130,000 subscribers. And me? I'm about to teach you, for free, how to make videos just like that. Wanna learn? So recently someone commented, "Can you make a tutorial on the AI music niche?" They even shared a channel as a reference. And when I checked it out, I was shocked. The channel launched on April 10th. In just half a month, it's racked up 130K subs and over 70 million views. One video alone? Over 44 million views. Absolutely wild. After digging into the channel, I realized most of the videos are just a pretty woman singing on stage with a guitar. Each one is only about 15 to 20 seconds long. Two things grab attention fast: good-looking girl plus great music. Now you're probably thinking, is it hard to make videos like this? Not at all, because they're all created using AI. No complicated steps. Honestly, you don't even need any special skills. Let me walk you through everything, step by step. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit that button now. It helps me a ton. All right, let's dive in. Step 1, we need a song, right? Wait, do I have to write my own music? Nope, not at all. Songwriting's tough for most of us. But that's where AI comes in. With ChatGPT, things get way easier. Just pick a trending song from YouTube as a reference. Here's one I chose. Now jump into ChatGPT and paste in this prompt. Boom. It gives us a sample set of lyrics. Looks solid, right? We'll use this for our demo. Now we've got lyrics. Time to generate the actual music. When you think AI music, your first thought is probably Suno, right? Exactly. There are other tools too, and I'll mention those in a bit after Suno. Let's start with Suno. Click Create on the left. Paste in the lyrics from ChatGPT. Add a style prompt. If you don't know what to write, just ask ChatGPT for a Suno-style prompt. Then hit Generate.
We started like fire in the rain. The world around us fades away. Your touch, a spark, lights the flame.
Sounds good, right? BTW. If you're serious about the AI music niche, I highly recommend upgrading your Suno account to Pro. It's affordable and helps avoid copyright issues later on. Another method? Try FlexClip. It's an all-in-one platform with powerful AI tools. There's a free trial too. But upgrading to Plus unlocks more. Now click AI Music Generator, upload a reference track and a singing voice. Or try their sample voices. They're solid too. You can also record your own, or use 11 Labs to create a 20-30 second voice clip. Paste in your lyrics, then click Generate.
In every moment, you feel like home. In the silence, we are never alone.
Cool, now we've got music. Next step, we need visuals. No worries, ChatGPT's got us covered again. Lucky for you, I've done the prep work. I've already created a full list of prompts for image generation. Join my WhatsApp channel to get the doc with everything. Just copy the prompt, paste it into GPT for more variations, and use it to generate your images. As for tools, there are many out there, but today we'll use Piclumen AI. It's super easy and totally free. Click Launch App, set the model to Piclumen Art V1, make sure the image ratio is 9:16. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT, click Generate. Boom, now we've got the perfect image. Now here comes the most important step. bringing that image to life and syncing it with your song. You might think the right way is, first, turn image into video, second, sync lip movement with audio. But nope. The method I'll show you does it all in one single step. No skills needed. Totally free. Here are 2 tools you can choose from. First one, Dreamina AI. They just updated the platform. It's now even more powerful. You get 120 free credits every day, which is awesome. Click lip sync, upload your image, choose master mode, then upload your audio. Before uploading, use CapCut to trim your Suno audio down to about 15 seconds. Dreamina currently supports max 15-second videos. Click Generate. Done. Second one, NIM. This site has a ton of built-in tools, highly recommended. Also gives you free credits. Click Create, go to AI Tools, Lip Sync, upload the same image and audio, click Generate. Done again. Now that you've got your video, optional step, upscale the quality for a cleaner, sharper look. I recommend doing this for best results. Last step, minor edits with CapCut. You don't need any fancy skills, just a few simple touches. Add some lyrics, filters, and maybe effects. Open CapCut, import your video, drag it to the timeline. If there's a watermark, zoom in a bit to crop it out. Then auto-generate lyrics. Be sure to select lyrics, not subtitles. Super important. Adjust the style of the text. At the very beginning, throw in a sound effect, like cheering. Then add a quick visual effect. And finally, add the song title. And fully done. That's it. Easy, right? Now check out a few samples I've made.
We shine like diamonds in the night. Your love's the reason I'm alive. A fire that never fades.
Alright friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. It really motivates me to keep creating more tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Good luck.